Just like solving one-step equations with addition and subtraction, we can also solve them with multiplication. I set up my problem the same, and I start by drawing a line down the center, which just reminds me I'm working with two different sides of the equation. Our goal, again, is to get the variable x by itself. In order to do that, I have to ask myself, what is going on with x? When a number and a letter are right next to each other, like 3x, that means multiplication. So 3 times x equals 45. In order to get rid of the times 3, you have to do the opposite operation. In this case, the opposite of multiply is divide. So I'm going to divide by 3, and whatever I do on one side of the equation, I have to do on the other side of the equation. On the left side, my 3's are now canceled out, and all I'm left with is x. On the right side of the equation, I then have to solve 45 divided by 3. If you don't know how to do that in your head, just solve the problem. 3 goes into 4 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract and bring down. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm finished. So 45 divided by 3 is 15, and that is my answer. X equals 15. Let's try again with a division problem. In this case, we have r divided by 5 equals 22. Again, draw your line down your equal sign. On the left side, we have r divided by 5. So to get rid of the divided by 5, I need to do the opposite operation, which is times. So I times 5. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other side. On the left side, my 5's now cancel out, and I'm left with just r. On the right side, I'm now going to solve the problem. 22 times 5. So 5 times 2 is 10, carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. So r equals 110. We can also solve equations that involve decimals. So to solve this problem, x is being divided by 15 and 2/10. I have to get rid of that by doing the opposite. Times 15 and 2/10. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. On the left side of the equation, my 15.2's cancel out, and I'm just left with x. On the right side, I now have to solve the problem. Remember, when you are multiplying with decimals, you do not have to line up your decimals. You set it up like you would any other multiplication problem. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry your 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. In 15.2, there is one number after the decimal point. In 3, there are none. So in my answer, there needs to be one number after the decimal point. So my answer is x equals 45 and 6/10.